Hello and welcome to another update video about Pepe. Pepe has dipped a little further into the support area. That is also what I wanted to see. Yesterday in my last video, we were sort of hovering here still, sort of in this area just above the A wave low in this wave 4 correction. And I mentioned to you that the best way to count this is to interpret this move as an ABC structure with another C wave down to come, or for it to extend lower, which is also happening. At the same time, we now have a break below the trend line. Now that's not necessarily a problem, but what shouldn't happen is a break below support. Now the main support level here for this wave 4 support is, or the main level in this wave 4 support area is 104.969. So far Pepe has developed nicely, especially from this swing low here. The larger degree fourth wave, now rallying in the fifth wave. Basically, what I'm watching for is possibly one more high, but the main element of the rally should be done, because what we've seen is an initial wave 1 to the upside from the wave 2 or B wave low in September 23. Then a wave 2 pullback. The third wave was the strongest rally in the cycle. Then here a wave 4 and now possibly the wave 5. Which, however, is most likely an A, B, C structure. At least that's the interpretation. So if we need to talk about what these scenarios could be. So obviously at the moment, what I mentioned in the last video is sort of unfolding, so there's no need to change anything. However, what I want to share with you is that if there is more than, let's say, one more low and we break below 104.969, I need to change my expectations to something short-term a little bit more bearish. At the moment, as you can see here, if we make that a little larger and zoom in, the move down from the lower degree third wave top here around the 27th of May was an ABC structure with this A wave down, B wave rally. Maybe the B wave was even a triangle. A, B, C, D. I think that fits well. And now the C wave down, it might just need one more low, and that could be enough, and that should be enough, or something different is playing out, like a different structure, okay? So for this structure here, I can accept one more low, because we could say that, just looking at the micro, this here was possibly a small 1, 2, 3, bit of an aggressive 4, so something doesn't fully align here. Now it's a pretty aggressive 4. And then a 5 down. So I can accept that if the C wave down here is an ending diagonal. I still don't like how high the wave 4 is. So yeah, I mean, so maybe we do consider what I did say before, because triangles are unreliable. So maybe the wave 4 is indeed here, and then this was that would look better. 1, 2, and then this is a diagonal to the downside. 1, 2, ABC in wave 3, a more aggressive 4, and then one more low to come in wave 5. That looks better. So that looks better. I can justify that better. Yeah, but again, it shouldn't get more than one more low. So what happens if it does it? Or what happens if support actually holds? So if support holds, we should see one more high in wave 5. There are some fib levels here that should be reached. Let me actually take that one out. That was reached already and the price got rejected. But the next levels are 185,619. There is some fib confluence, 2 levels there in that area. Then 205,987, and possibly, if conditions are favorable, even 248,076. The earliest evidence that a low is in would be a break above the Saturday high at 132,020. But yeah, what happens if we break support? Well, then I could say that we are either already in the main fourth wave here, but that would fit this wave too. There would be a massive correction. I think I would first explore the idea that we're doing an A. So basically, you see here A, B, C, yeah? But maybe circle A never finished. So maybe we're doing this, and I'll just highlight in a different color, blue. And that would allow for us to interpret this as a B wave pullback. If it's a B wave pullback, that would be the alternative. then I can consider the entire rally from the April low as an A wave, which means I can adjust the support area accordingly. And then support, this would be lower support. It's worth having the lower support area on the chart so that you know what would happen if we break below the upper support region. So that is between 55502 and 70855. That's my update about Pepe. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.